Hello, welcome to the newknowcommerce.com. I'm Preeti Shah and I'm one of the team members of newknowcommerce.com. So I'm here to guide you how your Knob Easy tab plugin is working. So I'm considering that you have copied the folder and put it in the right place as explained in installation process. Log in to your Knob Commerce store admin panel if you have not already did. You can also open one of the product detail page so that you can verify the effect of your plugin side by side. Now go to the admin panel and click on the from configuration to the plugin. So you'll have a list of the plugin. So scroll down to find the new is Knob Easy tab. Okay, I got it. If you are not finding your plugin in the list, then you can just reload list by clicking on this button. So now we are going to install this. Now easy tab and click on install. It will take time, so let's wait till the plugin is being installed. Okay, it's still taking time. Let's wait for more few seconds. Here we go. So now our plugin is being installed. Let's go down to find the plugin. Yeah, here it is. Now easy tab. So it has been installed. Now go to the product detail page and reload it. To reload, you can press Ctrl plus F5. Yeah, it's also taking time. So you can see that your product description is divided into 5 panels. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Okay, here we go. See, your product description is divided into 5 new different tabs. First is full description, product tags, specification, related product and purchase product. So you can also manage all of these 5 tabs from the configuration. So let's see how it is done. Go to the admin panel and find out your plugin. Here it is. So now click on configure. These are the 5 checkboxes from where you can manage your these tabs. So the tick mark checkboxes will mean, does it means that your tab will be showed, tab will be displayed here. So now untick the product specification and let's take one more, that related product. Now click on save. So what we did is product specification and related product, right? So go to the detail page and press Ctrl F5 to reload the page. So you can see that full description, product tags and purchase products are only there. There are no kind of product specification and related product in this tab. So go to the admin panel and tick the related product. That means it's active and click on save. Go to the product detail and reload it once again. Now you can also view the related product tab, right? So this way you can manage your all of the 5 tabs. And what if you don't want to see this kind of tabs in your product detail page? So here we go. Go to the admin panel and click on back to widget list. So you can manage your all of the widgets and all of the products, plugins from this page. So here our Knob Easy tab and you can edit it and just untick. That means it is inactive. So now reload your product detail page. So you can see the default view of your Knob Commerce, right? There are no tabs here. So this way you can manage your all the tabs as well as you can manage your Knob Easy tab plugin. So enjoy your Knob Easy tab plugin. And if you have any further queries, any questions or anything to contact us, then you can contact us on this information. This is our number, and you can also mail us on pooja.shah@newknobcommerce.com. So enjoy your plugin. Bye bye.